Hey everybody, this is David Owen from PowderQuest. I just got an email from Alessandro, PowderQuest alumni, asking if we have any face masks for sale. We do not, but today I'm going to cover how to take your PowderQuest Hoo-Rag bandana and convert it into a face mask, and a couple other ways to wear it when you're going outside of the house. So let's get started. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You just need a couple items from home. You've got your PowderQuest Hoo-Rag. You can also use a buff or a traditional bandana. And you need 2 hair ties. The larger ones work the best. Stole these from Carolina. Thanks, babe. So let's get started. You take your bandana, you fold it in half. You want to make sure that it's covering your nose and your mouth. Then you take your elastic hair bands, slip them onto each end, fold as such, and then you take the other end and you want to really do a good job tucking it in so it forms a rectangle. And boom, you're ready to go. You're ready to leave the house, and you've left the N95 mask for the health workers, which is essential. When you get home, pop off the rag, drop it into the wash. One quick tip with the Hoo-Rags: when you do dry them, you want to hang dry them, not dry them in the dryer. They tend to pile and then they start to get uncomfortable. Okay, so aside from the face mask I just taught you how to use and make out of the bandana, you can also use these because they're a tube. This is how I would wear them when I'm going skiing, snowboarding. It's really good protection for sun and snow and wind and the cold. Slip it over your head, bring it down your neck, tuck it in here a little bit. Now there's a couple different ways you can wear it like this. Simply bring it up over your nose. It's pretty simple. For a little bit more support here on the nose, you can tuck it in a little bit more. Like that. And then there's more of a ninja style. Slip it over your head like this. You're gonna look like Beavis or Butthead for a second. And then you grab down here on the neck and just bring it up. You can put over your nose, and you're ready to go. Might look a little better with a hat. Or of course some sunglasses. All right, there you go. Thanks, Alessandro, for the question. I hope this helps, and I know these are awkward times. We hope the best for all of you guys, and I hope this helps. Thanks, stay safe.